Establishing video uplink.
Nod's about to unleash another nuclear attack, Commander. You need to disable their launch site quickly, then marshal your forces and take the whole damn facility out.
Incoming transmission. This nuclear facility is a threat to all of GDI. We must destroy it before they can launch another missile. Building.
What's the call?
Construction complete. New bonus objective. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Construction complete. Training. Building. Building.
Let's get to that tip zone.
Construction complete. On hold. Cancelled. Building. Building. Construction complete. Low power. New construction options. Construction complete. Building in progress. Nuclear missile will launch in 7 minutes. This Nod base is well fortified, especially at the entrance. Look for additional passages to breach the base. Building. Building offline. Construction complete. Construction complete. Training. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Unit lost. New construction options.
Let's get to that tip zone.
Building. Building online. Construction complete. Building. Building. Building online. Construction complete.
There are no air defenses over here, sir.
Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Nuclear missile will launch in 5 minutes. Construction complete. Building. Training. Training. Construction complete. Building.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Enemy units sighted. We must deny power to the silo to reset the launch. Construction complete. Unit lost. Unit under attack.
Orca, ready for
Mammoth tank
liftoff.
assembled.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Training.
Let's get to the front.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff.
Mammoth tank assembled. Unrivaled.
Insufficient funds. On hold. Cancelled.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Yes, sir. Headed back.
Unit under attack.
These air filters working?
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Our base is under attack.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca here. Got it. Copy. Copy that. Orca is on the way. Airway's clear.
Enemy base sighted.
Confirmed.
Nuclear missile will launch in 3 minutes. Call for transport is useful for getting units past natural barriers and ground defenses. Objective complete. Unit lost.
Got it.
Unit under attack.
Commencing attack.
Establishing video
Copy that.
uplink.
Orca is on the way.
Greetings, Commander. I trust you've enjoyed your small triumphs thus far, because this is where your stirring success story ends. Tragically, I'm afraid.
Our base is under attack.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Channel's open.
New bonus objective. Building.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Repairing. Insufficient funds. Construction complete.
Orca unit. Airway's clear. On our way.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Enemy unit sighted. Unit under
Channel's
attack.
open.
Building. Unit lost.
Yes, sir. Ready for
Our
orders.
base is under
Copy that.
attack.
Orca is on the way. Affirmative.
Construction
clear.
complete.
Got it. Yes, sir. Confirmed. Got it.
Enemy base sighted.
Attack is a go.
Unit under attack. Building.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Building.
Mammoth tank.
Construction complete.
Unrivaled.
Construction complete. Building. Insufficient funds.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Construction complete. Our base is under attack. Building.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Construction complete. Building.
Yes, sir. Mammoth advancing.
Construction complete. Enemy unit sighted. Unit under attack. Training.
Mammoth tank assembled.
Training. On hold. Cancelled. Tiberium
Orca ready
field
for liftoff.
depleted.
Orca ready for liftoff.
Loader's ready.
Orca ready for liftoff.
Everything's set. Return to docking station. Careful. Let's move it. We got work to do.
Enemy unit
Orca ready
sighted.
for liftoff.
Unit under attack.
Orca ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff.
Got that, Commander. Approaching Tiberium.
Harvester under
Okay,
attack.
easy now.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Careful.
Unrivaled. Yes, sir. Rolling. Pushing forward.
Our base is under attack. Enemy unit sighted.
Yes, sir.
Unit under attack.
Orca pilot, all systems go. Stabilizers engaged. Nice and easy. Confirmed. Copy.
Enemy
Moving in.
base sighted. Enemy unit sighted. Unit
Approaching
under
target.
attack. Unit lost.
Take it out.
Training. Insufficient funds. Training.
Harvesting operations. You heard him.
Armor superiority. Moving.
Hatch sealed. Approaching Tiberium.
Enemy unit sighted.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Reload, reload! Confirmed.
Unit
Mammoth
under
tank
attack.
ready. Taking it there.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff. Channels open. Orca in flight. Stabilizers engaged. Orca in flight.
Enemy unit sighted.
Nice and easy.
Unit under attack.
Affirmative. Closing in.
Enemy base sighted.
Got it.
Unit lost.
Target acquired. Yes, sir.
Silos needed. Training. Training. Unit under attack. Training.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff.
Predator. Area confirmed. Confirmed.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff.
Mammoth
Orca, ready
tank
for
assembled.
liftoff. Orca, ready for liftoff.
Insufficient funds.
Orca, ready for
Okay,
liftoff.
easy now.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Enemy unit sighted.
Pilot responding.
Unit under attack.
Orca here. Orca in flight. Command?
Mammoth tank assembled.
Channels open. Nice and easy.
Enemy
Airways
base
clear.
sighted.
Orca in flight. Moving in. Take it out. All systems go. Attack is a go.
Unit under attack. Unit lost. Training.
Orca, ready for liftoff.
Enemy unit sighted. Unit under attack.
Orca, ready for liftoff. Orca unit. Orca in flight. Command? Confirmed. Yes, sir.
Enemy base sighted.
Orca in flight. Approaching
Unit
target.
under attack.
Target acquired. Commencing attack.
Unit lost. Silos needed.
Mammoth tank. Let's get to the front.
Orca here.
Training.
Channels open.
Unit under attack.
Orca ready for liftoff.
Building.
Orca standing by. Got it. Yes, sir.
Construction complete.
Orca in flight. Confirmed.
Enemy
Airways
base
clear.
sighted. Unit under attack.
Stabilizers engaged. Release the
Unit
rockets.
lost.
Closing in. On our way.
This Nod base is well fortified, especially at the entrance. Look for additional passages to breach the base. Training.
Yes,
Silos
sir.
needed.
Unstoppable. Pushing forward.
Orca ready for liftoff. Orca ready for liftoff.
Training. Unit under attack.
Move it up.
Orca ready for liftoff. Orca ready for liftoff.
Unit promoted.
Close in. Move it up. Mammoth advancing.
Orca ready for liftoff.
Enemy unit sighted.
Orca ready for liftoff. Orca ready for liftoff.
Unit under attack.
Orca ready for liftoff.
Fire. Roll over. Let's have some fun. Take him out. Close in. Move it up. Mammoth tank assemble. Take him down. Taking it there.
Enemy unit sighted. Unit under attack.
Moving. Going in. Take a close in. Going in.
Unit promoted.
Close in. Fire.
Silos needed.
Going in. Drop 'em. Fire.
Enemy unit sighted.
Move it
Unit
up.
under attack.
Going in. Let's have some fun. Move it up. Bandits take a symbol. Unstoppable.
Systems on. Copy that. Orca is on the way. Orca in flight.
Bandits take a symbol.
Unit under attack.
Approaching target. Engage.
Push forward!
Attack as you go.
Yes, sir. Bandits take a symbol.
Silos needed. Unit promoted.
Armor superiority.
Objective complete. Mission accomplished.
Leaked reports of Nod using WMDs has paralyzed an already reeling populace here in Vancouver.
But we've just learned that a series of daring GDI raids in North Africa have eliminated the WMD threat,
driving Nod forces in the region underground. However, we now have word that Nod forces are starting to converge on Sarajevo. There's even some speculation that a new Nod temple may have been secretly constructed beneath the ruins of their old temple, destroyed back in the First Tiberium War.
I'm sorry, but I do not have reliable intel on this new Nod temple in Sarajevo at this time.
That's what you said about the Casabad lab. But clearly, somebody in the military had that intel.
Evidently. But one simple communications error is nothing to start a controversy over. The situation has been rectified, I assure you. Next.
Does that mean you're now making all the strategic military decisions?
Now that's what I call jumping to conclusions. Look, will I be deciding how many tanks to deploy, what kind of missiles to fire, what color camouflage to wear? Of course not. But I will be involved in all of the important decisions from this point forward. Believe me, Nod will reap what it sows.
Mr. Boyle is correct about one thing. Nod will reap what it has sown. The seeds of GDI's destruction. Righteousness has only one allegiance, and that is to the oppressed. Our sacred brotherhood, inheritors of this glorious Tiberium world. Look to the skies, my children. A new dawn is rising in the east. Ascension awaits the faithful.
I took an action that I thought to be correct.
I understand, General. But I cannot, I will not be out of the loop again. Commander, just the man I wanted to see. I've been giving a great deal of thought to our strategy in Sarajevo, and I believe our next move must be emphatic. Nothing less than the annihilation of Nod's temple.
That is out of the question. We've already wasted way too many assets trying to take down that goddamn temple.
Fair enough. But I refuse to believe we haven't learned tactical lessons from those losses.
Our troops are spread thin. We cannot afford any more expensive lessons.
But we can't afford General's hesitation. We all saw Kane's broadcast. Time is of the essence here. GDI needs a major victory. Something the media can get behind and run with. And I, for one, have every confidence that our commander can deliver it. I hope I've made myself clear.
Yes, sir. This mission is ill-advised, to say the least. But if you're going to take it on, you'll need to establish a foothold in the region. Work from there. Percy will walk you through the appropriate strategy. Good luck.
During the Second Tiberium War, we set up a forward base in Croatia. It's fallen under heavy attack from Nod. But if you can secure it, we'll send a supply convoy to establish a strong foothold in the region. Once that's in place, we can cut off Nod's supply lines and then mount an attack on Kane's little hideout in Sarajevo. Good luck, Commander. You'll need it.